Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a shortcut. Shortcuts are incredibly powerful tools that can automate many of your daily tasks, making your digital life much more efficient. To get started, simply open the Shortcuts app on your device. You'll usually find it on your home screen or within your app library. Once inside, look for the plus icon, typically located in the top right corner, and tap it to begin creating your very first custom shortcut. Now that you've started a new shortcut, it's time to add some actions. Think of actions as the individual steps your shortcut will take. Use the search bar at the bottom of the screen to find actions like Open App, Send Message, or Get Current Weather. Once you find an action, simply drag and drop it into the main editor area. You can arrange these actions in any sequence you need to achieve your desired automation. After adding actions, you'll want to customize them to fit your exact needs. Tap on any action you've added, and you'll see various parameters you can adjust. For example, if you added a send message action, you can specify the recipient and the message content. If it's an open app action, you can choose which application to launch. Take your time to refine each step, ensuring your shortcut performs precisely as you intend. Once your shortcut is complete, it's time to put it to use. You can run it directly from the Shortcuts app by tapping its tile, or simply ask Siri to activate it by name. For even quicker access, consider adding your favorite shortcuts to your device's home screen. This creates a dedicated icon for one-tap execution. You can also organize your growing collection of shortcuts into folders, keeping everything neat and easy to find.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.